She's saying, can I have
Did you
one?
hear her?
She can't. She'll get sick.
Did you hear her talking?
She'll get sick.
She could.
But last night she ate one.
Did she? Maybe just one is okay.
Can I give her one?
Ask Aunt Noelle.
Can I give her one?
Sure.
Oh, what is Sam saying about that?
She said it's yummy.
Hmm?
She said it's yummy.
Yeah. She's like, thank you very much, Connor.
You're welcome, Sammy. I mean, cute Sam.
Cute Sammy. All done?